So you are wanting to start earning a passive income, either to top up your current monthly salary, or as your full-time means of income. You are keen to start an affiliate marketing business, but don't know where to start or what's involved. Most people believe that internet marketing and building an online business is far too complicated. But it shouldn't have to be. That is why the CB Passive Income Program has been created. It's an affiliate marketing system produced by Patric Chan, who is a very successful, renowned online marketer and tutor. So, what exactly is the CB Passive Income Program? It's a system set up to make it easier for you to get started with your online marketing business. It does this by taking care of several crucial steps, leaving just one job for you to focus on. This platform takes care of all the product landing pages and follow-up email marketing. All you have to concentrate on is driving traffic to these landing sales pages. The landing pages and emails have been produced by Patric, so you can rest assured he knows what he's doing. Within the members panel you will get access to all the training you need to succeed. Patric's system is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, you drive traffic to the sales pages. Number 2, let the system run its course. And finally, you get paid a commission from every purchase. CB Passive Income is an excellent platform to get you started on your passive income journey. For a more in-depth look at this program, please check out our full written review in the description below. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our channel.